the clinic administrator account will be created. Fill out the information in the form accordingly. The name of the clinic is needed, and it is imperative that it is entered accurately for future contracts. It shall engage with dental laboratories or for registering new members. The email address also needs to be entered accurately, since MeditLink will send a verification mail to that address. After you've finished filling out the form, hit the Register button to complete your membership registration. MeditLink will send a verification mail to the email address given during registration. When the verification process is completed, you can log in to your newly created account.